Python, the wildly popular programming language used by millions for everything from web development to data science to artificial intelligence. But have you ever wondered about the history of this versatile tool and how it came to be? In this video, we'll take a journey back in time to explore the origins of Python and the story of its creator. So let's start with the basics. When and where was Python created? Python was created in the late 1980s in the Netherlands by a man named Guido van Rossum. Its implementation began in December 1989 at the Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica, or CWI, where van Rossum worked as a staff scientist. But why was Python created in the first place? Van Rossum wanted to create a language that was both easy to read and write while also being powerful enough for system administration tasks. He was inspired by the ABC programming language, which was developed at CWI a few years earlier. ABC designed to be easy to learn and use, but it lacked some of the more advanced features that programmers desired. So van Rossum set out to create a new language that would combine the best of both worlds. What was the goal of creating Python? Van Rossum's primary goal was to create a language that was more readable and concise than existing languages. He wanted programmers to be able to express their ideas in as few lines of code as possible without sacrificing readability. Additionally, he wanted to create a language that was both a high-level language for ease of use and a low-level language for efficiency and power. How did the name Python come about? According to Van Rossum, he was a fan of the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. He thought the name was funny, and it reflected the sense of playfulness he wanted to infuse into the language. Let's now fast forward a bit and talk about the major versions of Python and their impact. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 and included major new features such as list comprehensions, garbage collection, Unicode support, and augmented assignments. This version became very popular throughout the 2000s and is supported in a wide variety of applications ranging from web development to scientific computing. Python 3.0, however, was a significant update that introduced several changes that were incompatible with previous versions. It was released in 2008 and included improvements to syntax, Unicode handling, integer division, and more. So what does the future hold for Python? Python has seen tremendous growth in popularity in recent years and is currently one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Its simple syntax, vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, and strong community support have made it a favorite among developers. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect Python to remain relevant and to continue to be used in a wide range of applications from web development and data science to machine learning and artificial intelligence. In conclusion, Python is more than just a programming language. It's a community of passionate individuals who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, there's no better time than the present to learn Python and join this vibrant community. So go ahead and download Python today and start building your next great project. Who knows, you might even make history. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you'd like to support us, please consider becoming a patron. Your support will help us continue to produce high-quality videos and make history fun and engaging for everyone. Thank you for watching.